I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Hey! Benny, what are you doing?
I was trying to pull the fire alarm.
Benny, how could you try to pull the fire alarm? That's it, come with me. Len, what are you and Benny doing here? The school is already over. Well, Kate Bernardo, Benny was trying to pull the fire alarm. I stopped him. Thanks for telling me. You may go now.
Where are the odds?
Luan, amazing job for stopping Benny from pulling the fire alarm. That's it, you are ungrounded forever.
As a reward, we will go to Popeyes this weekend.
Yeah 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 yeah